This YSR VEF portable toilet kit stands out as a complete camp bathroom solution, bundling a folding toilet, pop-up privacy tent, camping lantern, toilet bags, and waste gel, so you are ready to go straight out of the box. The pop-up tent sets up and folds down quickly into a compact round backpack, yet still provides full-height privacy with a light-blocking interior and a side opening for all-around airflow. Reinforced tie-down ropes and sturdy ground stakes give the shelter impressive stability, so it stays usable even when wind picks up at the campsite or beach. The collapsible toilet design is surprisingly solid, supporting up to 400 pounds while still packing nearly flat, which makes it easy to stash in a car trunk or RV cabinet. Because the toilet uses disposable bags and gel that firms up waste, it keeps odors under control and simplifies cleanup when you are far from regular facilities. Between the included lantern for nighttime visibility and the tent that doubles as a shower or changing room, this kit makes off-grid trips, festivals, and roadside stops much more comfortable and discreet.